guys, welcome back. My name is Pauline. If you're new here, welcome. So I'm back with another video again. I'm excited. So it is 8 p.m. right now, and I have work in the morning. I have to be to work at 6 o'clock. So I'm just gonna like do something quicker and stuff like that. So I know a lot of you guys have been asking me, hey, what do you do? Like, how do you do your natural hair and stuff like that? If you know me, you know I don't like too much attention. I like my natural hair. I do my natural hair. That's what I like to do. That's why my hair don't grow, because I always mess with my hair and stuff like that. But hey, don't judge me. But I'm using this braiding gel, and as you know, this is what I use. I had a leave-in conditioner in it, okay? And also I'm going to be using this gel to lay my hair down and stuff like that, but I'm not going to be using a lot. I'm just going to be using just a little bit and stuff. So this is my hair. I washed my hair today. It washed up and everything ready to go. So I'm just gonna like, let me see if I can like try to blow out my hair a little bit. Okay. So I'm gonna try to then, lay my hair down a little bit before I start doing it. And this is not even hot. It's not even hot. It's still a little bit cold. Just hold it like that. Like, this don't really have to be perfect. You can do it like however you want to, just to style it to the back. It don't have to be 100%. I'm not 100% doing this. I just don't want my hair to be like open out all day. So that's the reason why I'm doing that. But I'm gonna stop right there. So okay, I'm gonna stop it right there. That's it right there. That's how the bag gonna be. That's how the bag gonna look. This gonna be like, it's really cute, natural, and simple. Okay. So then I'm gonna like try to make a little style. So I'm just gonna part right here. It's easy and simple. So after party, I'm just gonna braid right there. Make sure be careful with my edges because I don't have none there. I had her locks in for 2 months. I just took it out today. So I'm gonna let my hair breathe for a second. Then I can think about what I want to get next. So whenever you're doing a style like that, and you're gonna have your hair in for like a couple of days, you don't want to do rubber band because sometimes the rubber band like really damage your hair. So I'm gonna be using a little hair bowl right here. Gonna like pull my hair up. That's it right there. That's the back. So, and I'm just gonna tuck this in right here like that. Yeah, I'm gonna tuck that in. So that's it. And make sure you're not feeling no tension on your hair. So what happened? I'm feeling little tension right here. It's, I'm gonna just try to pull it down some more and try like, so I don't feel no tension. I don't want no tension on my hair. So that's it right there. And this is the hair we are going to be using. So this is a twist. So this is the hair we're going to be using. This is a twist up. The afro twist up. So this style you can do it in it. So these are the style you can do with this right there, or you can do it any style if you want to. So it doesn't really matter. So, and I'm just gonna pull this out from the pack. So this had like one, two, three. So I got 3 bundles in there. So my 3 bundle, I'm gonna open it out like that. Make sure this is even. Okay. So like that, it's even to the bottom, and it's even here. So I'm gonna hold in the middle right there. Hold in the middle right there, and then grab you like 3 rubber bands. You can do 3, you can do 2, you can do 1. The reason I love to do 3 because sometimes when it pop out, sometimes when 1 pop out, I still got 2, or 2 pop out, I still got 1. Okay, so that's the reason why I always do like 3 rubber band, 3 or 4. So right now I'm just gonna do 2. So this is what I'm gonna do. So put your rubber band in your hand like that, and hold it here in the middle. Make sure it don't be long and short. Make sure everything is even, and hold the rubber band like that. Close your palm on the hair like that. Okay. So you still got it. I still got a rubber band on in my hand. So I'm just gonna grab the other side and grab the other side right here. Something like that. Yeah. It's gonna go like this. Put my bum in here. You can see. Put that in there. I'm just gonna do 1. Then I'm gonna pull 1 rubber band, flip it over, and do another 1, and that's it. Okay, so like that, and I'm just like, and gonna twist over here. Keep twisting, then flip it on in there. Flip it here. Now this is a manche part. You don't know how to make manche, you don't know how to do this. So you flip this back here. Yeah. You got a nice bum to go to work. A nice and easy bum. Oh, you got a cute little bum. What? Look in the mirror. So my edges is laid. Like you can flip your edges around however you want it. That's okay with you. That's fine. But I don't want too much, baby hair. Sometimes I do like 3 scoop or do like 2 scoop, or like. But today I just did 1. And this is my hair. This is the other side, and my part. My part is not perfect, but it's good. And this is the back. And this is his side. And that's his side. You know what I'm saying? Like something like that. But if I flip my little baby hair right here, and I'm gonna grab my curling gel. I'm gonna pour a little bit in my hand, then flip my baby hair right here, curl it, and do the same way on the other side. Curl it. Something like that. Then just leave it hanging out. Yep. So that's it. Simple, nice, easy. Simple, nice, easy, quick, look at bum. Okay. Simple, nice, quick, easy, look at bum. Like